Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Super Center here in Junction City, Oregon. I'm Gary Christian, been serving the dealer since July 14th, 1981. Having a great time, so we're going to keep doing it. And so should you on this Arctic Fox travel trailer. Let's take a look inside. Nice solid step for an entry, very stable, nice and easy to get into. This is a 25R floor plan. Rear bathroom. Let's start back here. You have a nice medicine cabinet, and then you can look in here. Plenty of hanging space, storage up above. There's a storage down below as well as below your hanging space. Good room for the toilet, paper dispenser, big sink. Then you've got your nice storage down below, two different areas. Nice and easy there with your skylight up above for headroom. Northwood refrigerator. Very nice, my favorite. It's what we have on our trailer. Nice deep space here. If something goes wrong, it melts. It won't come down and flood all over your floor. Fuses and circuit breakers are down below with a propane detector. Nice upgraded oven, stovetop, which I really love the way they do this. Flush mount, so you can use it for prep time. Nice slits in the back are for knives. High output on the front one. Get that big pot of water boiling. Microwave up on top, solid surface countertop, recessed sink, makes cleanup much easier. And then we've got storage. They put a shelf in here, that way you can separate the small stuff. Over here you can put the little larger items. TVs are already included. And then we're going to go through some drawers here. They're plywood and wood, no particle board, full extension. Do you have enough stuff to fill all this up? Well, if you do or more, you got too much. There's a lot of storage in this. This is a nice amount of storage space. Again, storage down underneath, two different areas. Nice dinette, 4 people comfortable sitting, storage down below, up above. You've got a jackknife couch, which makes into another bed, full-size queen bed. On the door side, you've got a nice nightstand. On this side, USB ports on both sides. This is where your laundry chute is. Come on, right here. There's the basket. It comes with a basket. That way you can drop your clothes in there and you're good to go when you get back home. Again, USB ports here, full length hanging, a shorter one on the other side, and then your carpet and your Northwood chairs that come with it. Nice air cylinders to hold it up, nice and easy, a great mattress too. Let's go around the outside. All your controls are here. It's already got a generator switch already installed if you want to add a generator. Slide switch, awning, 110, propane hot water heater, all your light switches here. Nice and easy when you enter your unit. We've got battery kill switch right here. Got a little magnet to hold this up. Thought I was kidding about the basket. Here's your kill switch. Nice big entry here, all insulated cover. Don't have to. It's a 4-season unit, so you don't have to worry about it if it's cold out. This is your generator compartment if you want to, otherwise it's a nice storage area. Or you can put in your own little portable generator. Talked about the electric awning. Bumper in the back to store, of course, your sewer hose. Outdoor shower. Ladder on the back. Don't get up on the roof. Free roof inspection twice a year by us. As long as you own it, you're a Guaranty customer, we'll get on the roof. Little outside storage, LED light. Your dump's right here, it's easy to get to. All your termination valves are up inside in the enclosed and heated tanks. Don't have to worry about freezing up, because they won't. Refrigerator access. You've got 2 storage compartments to get under the dinette from the outside. And yes, if you do have a question, skip the receptionist, call me direct. Go to 541-554-9581. I'm Gary. I'll answer your question. Thank you.